atomic number of hydrogen is constant. It is 1 in the 3 types. But in hydrogen, the first hydrogen atom, it has a mass number of 1. The second one has a mass number of 2. The third one has a mass number of 3. So what is the difference between the 3 atoms? Are they different atoms, or they are the same atom, the same element? Huh? Raise your voice, please. Raise your voice. They are the same atom. They are the same element. Why? Because they have the same symbol. Because what, Muhammad? Again? No, the same symbol. They are the same element because they have the same symbol. If I write here HE, for example, or HA, they are different elements. But I wrote H. So they are the same element. They are the same element because they have the same symbol. Okay? Type. They are similar in what? Lays. Lays.
In the atomic number.
Atomic number.
In the
Excellent.
symbol.
But they are different in what, ya Faris? Faris?
different in
in ايه؟
number اللي فوق
mass. اسمهم ايه؟
mass number.
Okay. خلاص. So they have the same atomic number, but they have different mass number. This is the definition of isotope. خلاص. يبقى an isotope isotopes are elements. Isotopes are atoms. They are atoms of the same element. Atoms of the same element. Similar in what, يا عزام؟ عزام. So they are similar in the atomic number and different in mass number. Isotopes are elements of the same atoms of the same. We have here 3 atoms of the same element. They are similar in the atomic number, but they are different in the mass number. Okay. Different. Okay. We have another example for isotopes. We have chlorine, Cl, chlorine, Cl. We have 2 isotopes of chlorine. So hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Plus hydrogen 1,1, it's called protium. Hydrogen 1,2, it is called deuterium, and hydrogen 1,3 is called tritium. Okay? No. Just no, yeah. Okay? But Cl has 2 isotopes. The first isotope is 35, has a mass number of 35. The second isotope has a mass number of 37. Of course, the atomic number is constant. The atomic number in both is 17. Okay, so the first chlorine is 1735 and the second one is 1737. So chlorine has 2 isotopes. Okay, we say that some isotopes are radioactive. So some isotopes are radioactive. What does it mean by radioactive, Saud?
Can burn easily.
No, radioactive. radioactive. Huh? Radioactive means they evolve, they can emit radiation. They can emit radiation. They can emit rays like X-rays, gamma rays, alpha, and so on. Okay. Some isotopes are radioactive. Radioactive means they can emit rays. Okay, because the nucleus is not is unstable. They are radioactive because the nucleus of isotopes are not stable. Okay, so some isotopes are radioactive, and as we all know, radioactivity can be harmful and can be useful. They can be harmful again
الأيسوتوبس ليش هي راديو أكتف ولسه بمقدار مش
because the nucleus is not stable. The nucleus is not stable. When the nucleus is not stable, to be stable, it emits rays. Okay, like a class of grade 9 with about 50 students, it becomes unstable. Okay, it becomes unstable. So you make some noise. See, this noise is called is like rays. Okay. Like so, isotopes are radioactive, and as we said, that radioactivity can be useful and it can be harmful. It can be harmful. It can cause diseases like cancer. Okay, it can cause disease, some diseases like cancer, but they can be useful. So now we will talk about useful uses of isotopes. We will talk about useful uses of isotopes. So we will talk about uses of isotopes. Okay. Of course, we will talk about useful uses of isotopes. The first use of isotopes is in medical use. Medical use in medicine. Medical use. Medical uses. The first medical use is to treat cancer, to kill cancer cells, to kill cancer cells. You have an apparatus or an instrument like this one in page 25. Look at page 25. This patient is being injected with an radioisotope. Okay, he has a tumor. He has a tumor of cancer, and we we make the instrument on this tumor to kill the cancer cells. Okay, but the first use by kill the cancer cell using the rays that emits from the isotope. Okay, the second use also in medical use. The second use is to sterilize medical equipment. Sterilize means purification, from microbes, from bacteria. Okay, sterilize medical equipments. Okay, to sterilize medical equipments. Like scissors and so on. Okay, اللي هي surgery equipments. We use it to sterilize medical equipments to kill bacteria, viruses, and so on. Okay, so it is used to sterilize medical equipment. Sterilize here means purification, make it pure, make it clean. The third use of isotopes, of radioactive isotopes, is in industry. So it has also industrial uses.